Well, good morning, everybody. As you can see, my new compost bin here is getting pretty full and looks so good. While Beth and I were away to Tagbilaran yesterday, Doro cleaned up a couple more rows and brought it up here, and that from down in the mango field by the road out front. So yeah, almost to the point. And this is typical kind of now at the end of the garden season, end of the rainy season, when stuff grows here, that the compost piles will also be pretty well ready to put in my finished bin here and that. And Beth then uses it, a lot of it, for her flowers. And that I'm going to slowly walk down part of my driveway here, and that to get below, and that, and kind of show you a few things we've been doing this morning. Starting to cloud over a little bit, which gosh, I'd love to see some rain. It's been a week now, and that gets kind of scary when it gets to the end of January and the first part of February, because a lot of times that means the end of the rainy season, the change in temperatures, the daytime temperatures start going way up, the nighttime temperatures start going way up, and yeah, no more rain, and everything really dries out pretty fast with the tropical sun, which is always so high in the sky, and that and I'm hoping, I'm still keeping my fingers crossed. But as you can see, all the stuff we've been collecting the last 2 days, they emptied out these compost rows into my finish bin there. And now we've got fresh stuff. I put the coarse stuff on the bottom, and the middle layer is a lot of the cut grass and that we had before that had been piled up, and it's wet, which I like to see because it helps with the process here. And then of course we cover it with dry on the top, so the sun just literally does before it bakes it, the sun generally dries it up. So I like to put a cover on top of it that's already dry, that kind of protects the stuff underneath. But our second one here, this is kind of the composting season, and that, like I said, the end of the rainy season, we've used so much of it up, and also the end of the rainy season, because you want your compost piles built before the rainy season, because with all the moisture, and then turning the piles, you can see the coffee trees here are still looking pretty good if we look up the row here. So now is the kind of the time before the dry season starts, and of course you're always hoping it's going to be like 2017, the year of the rain. It rained all year long. We had, if I remember correctly, 9 months or 10 months of 15 days or more of rain, and just completely unheard of here in a normal year. June, usually it's about 4 months, September, October, November, December, and January, of kind of rain, and then the other 7 months of drought that lasts till August, and then the rains start coming back. And we used to get a typhoon or two through the south of the Visayas here, and that hasn't happened this year. And I call 2018 the year of the drought, and that because our water table was so low, our pond was so low, and it actually didn't get to overflow till December, and usually it's that overflow in October already. But everything else, I still got 2 more rows that we'll pretty quickly go up to the compost pile there, and we'll start building a couple more rows here. So I'm going to let everybody go here again. This is part of the work that we're doing on this. Geez, I think it's Saturday. I'm kind of losing track after our trip yesterday and that, and trying to get some sleep last night in between uploading videos, and oh gosh, like I said, you lose track of what day it is and what time it is. So going to say goodbye to everybody, and probably be back shortly again. Everybody, you have a good day out there. God bless you all.